Imran Hussain.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Over the weekend, I met with members of the Rohingya community in my constituency, and they told me some horrific stories of some of the most grave crimes against humanity. They didn't even know whether their friends and family were dead or alive. They didn't even, they told me of horrific stories of women and children being burned and tortured. And they also told me, Mr. Speaker, that during her time in custody, during her time in prison, they led in this country some of the biggest campaigns for the immediate release of Ms. Suu Kyi. So now, in their hour of need, they now see deafening silence. Why won't the Minister condemn this grave crime against humanity? Why will he not condemn the persecution and ethnic cleansing? And why will he not condemn the deafening silence of Ms. Suu Kyi?
Minister. I'm not going to be condemning any elected politician who is, in my view, doing her level best in the most incredibly difficult of circumstances. I pointed out in what I've said earlier on that we do condemn violence. We have done our level best to try and ensure that tensions are diffused as far as possible. That is the position we will put across to all sides in Burma. We want to see the tension reduced, not raised to the higher level that perhaps his impassionate plea might suggest would be the right way forward. I don't think it would.